Hello everyone, my name is Mehak and today we're gonna make something that flies up in the sky. Let's begin. We need an A4 size sheet, okay? So first we're gonna fold this sheet vertically into two halves like this. Make sure it is a perfect fold. Now from the top, I'm going to fold it like this. And from here also, I'm going to fold it like this. Now I'm going to turn it around and again fold the sheet into two halves. Now from this end, pick this side up and now you have to gently fold it like this and press it like this. Again you have to take the same fold and fold it like this. Another crease. Now similarly, I'm going to do it from the other side. I'm going to turn this side and take this corner and fold it like this. So these edges should meet. And again, I'm going to take this side and fold it again like lovely. And now I am going to open this gently and take this and oh, what have I made? We've created an aeroplane that flies high up in the sky. Now you can make your own airplane and make it fly. Bye.